Ford Asset is an automotive program sponsored by Ford Motor Company and the Ford Lincoln dealerships to train individuals to be Ford Motor Company technicians and with Ford factory certifications. You earn an associate's degree as well as you earn factory motor company certifications. It's a co-op or internship type program where you're going to spend half your time at school, the other half you're out working at a dealer. You're literally in school for 40 weeks, you're out working at a dealership for 40 weeks. So you're earning while you're learning. Students like the fact that it's an internship program where they're here in class for 8 weeks of a semester, then they're out working at the dealerships. While they're out there working, they're with a mentor that's helping train them, as well as they're getting paid while they're out there for their education.
In the classroom, it was more on the theory and operation of things, a little bit of the diagnosis, and then here at doing internships, it was more focused on diagnosing what was going on and then moving into the skill set that you already learned in class of actually repairing the vehicles.
Ford Motor Company is an amazing brand. Just being a part of the Ford brand is just knowing what we're bringing, the new features we're coming. I mean, we got the Bronco coming up. I mean, who would ever thought we'd have the Bronco coming back, you know? SHO, we got the Raptor, just the cool vehicles that the SVT team has created through Ford. That's the fun that these guys get to work on when they come in. I mean, just to seeing the smiles on their face. Ford's dedicated a process to making new vehicles and new lineups, so it's fun watching the creation from Ford Motor Company.
Always a Ford fan. That was part of the reason why. Also, we're different from the GM, the Chrysler, and the auto programs. It seemed more centered on real-world experience than some of the other programs that are offered, and it just seemed the perfect fit for my style of learning, as well as able to earn while I'm also learning at the same time.
I like that it's not the exact same thing every day. You know, I really don't know from day to day what to expect when I come in, what kind of work I'm going to get exactly, you know, so it's kind of a challenge every day. Might be doing something different tomorrow and learning something new.
From the background of what they're doing now, I mean, each year you're seeing something different, each day, each hour. Like I said, with the Bronco that's coming out, you know, who would ever thought we'd get the Bronco back? You know, with the SHO Tours, the Raptor. I mean, these guys are being able to see these new creations being built, and these guys are able to work on these as they come out, and just seeing them come in their dealership, in and out. New Explorer 2020, the same thing. You know, it's just fun watching the brand just keep evolving.
Our facilities here at the DMAC Urban Campus, we have a shop that has 8 bays in it, 6 lifts, plus a drive-on lift and 2 empty stalls with a wide open aisle in the middle. So we have all the latest technologies and equipment that we can train on. Ford supplies us with a lot of the equipment, the high-tech equipment, scan tools and stuff, which we all have here. So we're basically doing a complete basic automotive training, but we're putting a Ford spin on everything.